For our next cocktail, here is Jen, our mixologist at Kōloa Rum Company.
Hi, today we're going to do a cacao skinny piña and we're going to use our Kōloa Coconut Rum.
Our coconut rum is really special to us. It took us the longest to formulate, 2.5 years, because we wanted to make sure we got it just right. It's a full 80 proof. I get a lot of toasted coconut and fresh coconut. It's delicious.
We're also going to use our cacao rum.
Our cacao rum, we teamed up with Lidgate Farms, a 5th generation cacao farmer out in Kauaʻi. We're using real cacao nibs that we're macerating for 9 days at 100 proof. And for our cacao skinny piña, Jen, take it away.
All right, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of our Kōloa coconut rum and 1/3 of our Kōloa cacao rum. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of fresh coconut water. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. We're going to give it a good shake. And then our garnish is going to be a chocolate-covered dried pineapple.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy these cocktails at home. You can find us at KōloaRum.com or on our social media platforms at Kōloa Rum. Cheers.
It is our hope that you will support our local farmers and buy local. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about the delicious goods you've seen today, please visit any of the links provided. Mahalo.